Give you some money now and time as you plan your grocery list. Smart shopper Daphne Monroe is here with her weekly look at the latest deals.
Head to Bash's this week and score a fantastic deal on green or red seedless grapes for just 87 cents per pound and without any limits.
Score a free gallon of milk at Safeway this week. All you have to do is purchase 4 qualifying boxes of Kellogg's cereal for an already good price of $1.99 each. And then you'll get a gallon of milk for free. And if you don't need cereal, you can still buy a gallon of milk for just $1.97 each and without any limits at Safeway. Head to Fry's and score that same deal on a gallon of milk for $1.97 each, but with a limit of 2. At both Fry's and Albertsons, you can save on boneless, skinless chicken breast for just $1.77 per pound. You can also score some savings on black grapes at Sprouts this week for just 69 cents per pound. And at Food City, you can save on whole chicken fryers for just 98 cents per pound.
I'll have more Valley Grocery Store deals posted on our website. Just head to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.